In the last session, we covered very clearly what is the difference between list and tuple. List concept we completed, tuple concept also we completed, sir. Sir, the list is mutable or immutable? List is mutable or immutable? It's a mutable or immutable? List concept itself is, sir, mutable, and tuple is immutable. Remember that. What is the difference between list and tuple? Very common question for the interview room, right? Okay. Now the next thing what I have to discuss, okay, set a concept. Regarding the next terminology, what we require to talk, sir, set concept, right? Sir, when we should go for set? When we should go for setup? Sir, if you want to represent a group of unique values, regarding if you want to represent a group of unique elements, a group of unique elements. Unique elements means without duplicates. Remember this one, sir. Without duplicates. A group of unique elements means without duplicates, right? If you want to represent a group of values as a single entity where duplicates are not allowed, order is not important, then we should go for set concept, right? Okay, again, maybe a chance to ask what is the difference between list and set? Even in Java also, it is a very important question for the interview room, sir. What is the difference between list and set? Whether it is a Java, or whether it is sir, Python, this question is the most valuable important question, sir. What is the difference between list and set? Okay, list is, sir, duplicates are allowed. In list, duplicates are allowed. Remember this one, sir. Duplicates are allowed. But in the case of set, duplicates are not allowed. Observe that duplicates are not allowed. Next, in the case of list, insertion order is preserved. Remember this one. So in which order we added, in the same order only the elements are going to be stored. But in the case of set, sir, no order wise, no guarantee at all. Okay, like if you want to represent a group of unique values, unique value where the order is not important, then we can go for what? Set concept. Everyone can able to understand? Everyone can able to understand what is the difference between list and set? What is the difference between list and tuple? These two things are very important, sir. In the case of list, duplicates are allowed, but in the case of set, duplicates are not allowed. In the list, insertion order preserved, but in the case of set, insertion order not preserved. Now I have one important point, sir. Sir, now order is not important. Order is not important in the case of set. Sir, even normal mathematics also, if you consider normal mathematics also, order is not important, sir. Suppose I'm taking 10, 20, 30, 40. Assume that, or otherwise just 10, 20, 30 is there. Suppose I'm taking, sir, 20, 30, 10 is there, sir. 10 is there. Or otherwise s is equal to 30, 20, 10 is there. Can you please tell, sir, all these three sets are important or not? In your academics, somewhere set theory, relations, functions, like you may cover in your discrete mathematics or general mathematics, right? In the set theory is there. Sir, do you know all these three sets are equal? Remember this one, sir. All these three things are equal, right? Now my point is, can you please tell what the first element? What the first element? Please respond. What the first element? Oh, respond, man. Why you are having the doubt? What the first element? 10. What the first element? 10. What the last element? 30. The last element? 30. No such type of terminology, because in the case of set, order is not important. This is the first element, this is the second element, no such type of thing, sir. Okay, here 10, but even it is the equal, but now it is the 20, but even it is the equal, but now it is the 30. That's why no, order, first element, last element, such type of terminology not applicable for the set. Remember this. Okay, now once order is not important, then automatically indexing concept, index concept and the slice concept are not applicable, because index concept and slice concept always talks about order, 0th element, first element, second element and so on. But here order is not important, then automatically indexing, slicing, such type of terminology not applicable for the set. Remember this one, sir. Next, can you please tell duplicate objects are allowed or not allowed? Duplicate objects are allowed or not allowed? Can you spell out, sir? Duplicate objects are not allowed. If you are trying to add duplicate object, sir, what will happen is second element by default is not going to be considered. Okay, we never going to worry about sir duplicate. By default, duplicates will be removed, sir. Removed. If you are trying to add duplicate, we won't get any error. Simply that element won't be allowed or won't be inserted. Okay, like. Next, how you can represent sir, set. How you can able to represent set within curly braces. Remember this one. Within curly braces, we can represent set. Set itself is nothing but how you can represent, sir. Within curly braces, we can represent the set. Observe a bit very carefully about this one. Next, one more thing, sir. Either set concept is mutable or immutable. Set concept is, can you spell out, sir? Either set concept is mutable or immutable. Set is mutable. Mutable. Tuple is immutable, but set is always mutable. Based on our requirement, you can allow, you can add something, you can remove something. All those things are possible. It is mutable. Remember, right? Okay, that's all. So these are various important points related to the set. Order is not important. Index, slicing, these kind of things are not there. Next one, after the duplicates are not allowed. Okay, like we can. So how to create set object? How you can able to create set objects? I want to create set objects, right? Sir, what are various possible ways are there, sir? Very simple. Within curly braces, you can specify the value. Within curly braces, you can specify the value itself is possible. No problem at all. Sir, next, here see this one. Another possibility is there. Suppose S is equal to set of, you can pass any sequence. Set of any sequence you can pass. If you can pass any sequence, then automatically the corresponding set objects by default we are going to get, sir. Remember this one. The corresponding set objects by default we are going to get. Okay. Here you can pass a list object. You can pass a set object. I mean, you can pass some string and so on. Set method. We require to do that, sir. Okay. 1 minute. Let me go for small applications, right? Here, Durga classes, tester.py, I'm taking, sir, tester.py like this. Sir, now my target here is, observe that S is equal to 10, 20, 30, sir. 10, 20, 30. Print of S, print of type of S. Print of S, print of type of S. What's the type of S? Like this, right? Now, have a look once, sir. Yes, py, tester.py. For the answer by default, we are going to get, yes, the output itself is 10, 20, 30, and this one is nothing but set. Itself is a set like that, right? Okay, observe carefully, right? Sir, this is the first one. Okay, I want to create set from the list object. From the list, assume L is equal to 10, 20, 20, sir, 20, 30 is there, sir. I want to create set object. S is equal to set of L. S is equal to set of L. Print of S. What is the answer? Can you please spell out, sir? What is the answer by default you are going to get? Hare, why you are thinking? Duplicates by default will be allowed or won't be allowed? Duplicates are not going to take. Next, order is important or not important? Not important. You can't tell 10, 20, 30, 40. In which order the output we are going to get? We don't know that, sir. Remember that. In which order the output we are going to get? We don't know. We don't know that. Then automatically here, just have a look once. What is the answer? 40, 10, 20, 30. first point number 1, duplicates are not there. Actually 10 present to 2 times, 20 present 2 times, 30 present 2 times in the list, but now here only once, means duplicates are not allowed. Second one, first 10 20 30 40 in that order I took, but output here is going to come 40 10 20 30. So in the case of set, order is not important, order is not important. Okay, like you should be aware, order is not important. Second ones are duplicates are not allowed. Yeah, beautiful example. Already we got clear conclusion, right? Suppose I don't want from the list, I want from the range. Okay, range of 5 I'm taking. If I can take a range of 5, can you please tell internally which elements by default will be there? If I can take a range of 10, range of 5, internally which elements by default will be there? Please respond. 0 to 4, 0 to 4. Okay, like now 0 to 4, 0 1 2 3 4. Here maybe order, there is no guarantee for the order. Remember that, sir. There is no guarantee for the order. Okay, internally, so Raj, internally the order is going to be decided based on hash code. Once of our elements hash code is fixed, same order we are going to get if you run multiple times. Regarding if you run multiple times, same order by default you are going to get, but internal which order, that we can't tell exact order, right? Okay, well, now sir, this is suppose I don't want a range, sir. Suppose I don't want range, I'm taking Durga, this is my string, sir. If I can take Durga like this, if I can take Durga like this, right, sir? Now have you observed what the answer by default you are going to get? URDGA. Regarding order, no guarantee at all, sir. Each and every elements by default is going to take. Suppose Durga software solutions like this I'm taking, sir. So maybe duplicate elements are there, maybe duplicate elements are there, but if you observe that only once, next one after that, sir, any character it is always going to consider only once only, sir. There is no chance of anywhere duplicate value. Remember, clear? Any doubt about this one, sir? Here Durga software here one time, here another time, 2 times is coming. How many times O is coming? Here and here, and here 3 times O is coming, but here how many times it is there? O is only 1 time, A is only 1 time, like this, because duplicates are already removed, right? Okay, it's also one important terminology. Okay, how you can create set object from the list, from the range, from the string, from any sequence you can able to find like this, right? Next, while covering tuple, one point I told, how many people remember? We have to take special care. Special care. Okay, while creating single value tuple. Correct or not? Single value tuple, we require to take a bit special care in the case of tuple, I told, because single value tuple compulsory comma story is there. Correct or not? Okay, same terminology here also applicable, sir, for different case. What is that? Is suppose I'm taking like this, I want to create empty set. I want to create empty set, sir. Can you please tell, is it valid or not? I want to create empty set. Is it valid or not? Okay, remember, it is not empty set. By default, curly braces always meant for dictionary. By default, curly braces always meant for what? Dictionary. Remember this one, sir. It's always meant for dictionary concept, right? So by default, it's treated as a dictionary, sir. Sir, where is the proof for that? Just a very simple type of yes, sir. If I can ask a type of yes, sir, what the answer by default we are going to get? Yes, this one itself is nothing but what? Dictionary, like this, right? Okay, dictionary itself, like. So now my point here is, observe, type of yes itself is nothing but dictionary by default we are going to get. Okay, well, now the point is the important conclusion. What you people, the important conclusion, what you people should aware here is how I can create empty set. So you should not do like this. If you want to create empty set by using set function, Are you getting? Set function by using you require to create set. Sir, now it will become empty set. So while creating empty set, take a bit very special care, man. Okay, don't just curly brace open and close. Curly brace open and close. Don't do that. Suppose if I can take like this, what is this one? Empty. Oh, respond. Empty. Array, if I can take like that, empty list. If I can take like this, okay, no problem. It is empty tuple. In the case of tuple, single value tuple is going to create a big story. But here empty tuple, no problem at all. If I can take like this, it is by default considered empty dictionary concept. We are going to discuss in detail. Don't worry, sir. Empty dictionary concept by default you should aware. Okay, that's all. Sir, now this is the way how I can create empty set. Empty set, if you want, the only option is nothing but s is equal to set. That's it. This is the way, sir. Any doubt? Up to this is the clear how to create set object. If it is an empty set of you can create with multiple values of you can able to create. Next, already you have some list or set, list or sequence is there. How you can able to create set for the equivalent set for the given list or for the given string or for the given range. How we can able to do that? That's all. This is what you people should aware clearly, right? Sir, what is the next cinema? What is the next thing we require to talk, sir? What are various important methods? Important methods. What are various important methods? Are functions. Functions are related to set. On the set, which methods or functions you can able to apply, sir? Very simple. First, I want to add an element. S is equal to empty set you created, sir. After that, I want to add some element. What is the way, sir? Sir, s dot add. Remember this one. S dot add. If it is the list, which method we require to call? If you want to add an element, if it is the list, which method we require to call? Which method? Append. Append is the method or insert is the method, right? But here we require to use add method, right? Okay. Now just observe. Let me create one empty set object. I created s dot add of 10, s dot add of 10, s dot add of 20, s dot add of 30 like this, right? Now s dot add of 40 I'm taking, s dot add of 50 I'm taking like this. Now print of yes, sir. Print of yes. Then automatically have you observed the output? Sir, 10, 20, 30, something like we are going to get, but otherwise no guarantee at all. Remember that. Next, this 10 I added multiple times. Have you observed? If I'm trying to add multiple times I'm trying to add, sir, no problem at all. We never going to get any error. That 10 by default will be inserted only once. Clear, friends? Yes. What is the first one? Is how you can able to add the elements. Add is the method, sir. Second one, take very special care. This is the very important, sir. Suppose I have list already. I have some list already, sir. Can you please add this list of elements to the set? Can you please add this list of elements to the set? How you can able to add that is the second method we require to talk. So the first method we covered add method. Second method we are going to talk about update. We will discuss, right? There are some two small doubts are there. Let me talk about that. Narayan, is the set homogeneous? No. Set can contain heterogeneous objects also. No problem at all. Set can contain heterogeneous objects also. Next, Sudhir, where you can use a set data type. Best example, sir. I want to send SMS message. For all my students. In which order you require to send SMS message? We are not required to worry, sir, but all the students has to get that message. Next, for the same student, multiple messages you should not send. Unique. The numbers are duplicate numbers. If anything is there, can you please remove unique numbers only? You require to send SMS message. Regarding it's a very common requirement. If you want to send, you can send a mail, sir, where duplicates are not allowed, duplicate mail IDs are not allowed, next order is not important, then happily we can go for set concept internally. Clear? Regarding if I choose a list, then the problem is, if I choose a list, the problem is duplicates may be a chance, but I don't want duplicates, then compulsory we should require to represent all mobile numbers or mail IDs in the form of set. Okay, like now here, what is the second method we have to talk? Yeah, here there is one small problem is there, sir. Add of 10 will be added, but the update of x comma y comma z, just aware what is the meaning of update of x comma y comma z, what it means? Anyone, can you please guess? Yes, anyone, can you please? What is the difference between add method and update method? Sir, very simple. Add method is always going to take only one element to add, only one element. But here, update method is going to add multiple elements. Can you please tell what this x, y, z, these are values or not? Can you please tell? Is it the meaning? Is it a meaningful or not? 10, 20, 30. Is it a meaningful or not? Yes, remember, man. Is it a meaningful or not? Yes. Ayo, respond. Yes. Is it meaningful? If you can do like that, then you may get the problem. Because the reason for that is, listen very, very carefully, sir. This x, y, z, these are not individual elements. X, y, z, these are not individual elements. So x, y, z are okay, sequences. X, y, z are sequences. So x may be list, or y may be okay, range like this, right? X may be, z may be tuple, like this, right? So all elements present inside x, all elements present inside y, all elements present inside z, can you please add to yes? That is the meaning of that. Yes, that update of xyz means all elements present inside x, all elements present inside y, all elements present inside z, can you please update to yes? That is the meaning of that. Don't feel here one element, here multiple elements means x is first element, y is second element, z is third element, like no, like this, right? Okay, sir, where is the proof for that? Very simple, sir. Yeah, very simple. So very simple, sir. Yes dot add of 10. Yes dot add of 10 meaning is there, print of yes, sir. Perfect, because we are trying to add a 10. Perfect, it's going to work, sir. But yes dot update of 10, if you can take like this, immediately Python will give left and right. Array, update method is applicable for sequences, not for individual element. Can you please observe? Int object is not iterable. Observe the type error. Int object is not iterable. What I will take is, suppose L is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 is there. Can you please add the L, man? Can you please add L? Yes, not update of L. Perfect. Now all the elements present in that L by default will be added. Are you getting, man? Are you getting? Update is not applicable for single object. This one is nothing but sequence. X, Y, Z. Where X, Y, Z are sequences. X may be list or range or tuple. Sequences may be list or range or tuple, not individual object. Okay, don't get confused. Sir, L, comma, range of 5. Is it valid or not? Can you please confirm? Is it valid or not? Subrat Kumar, it is invalid, man. Whatever you are telling, invalid. You can't do that. Yeah. Is it valid or not? Is that update of L, comma, range of 5. Valid or not? Valid or not? Okay. So for this yes, yes, if any yes is there, update this yes with these elements also, like so how many elements are there inside L? Can you please tell how many elements are there inside L? 4 elements are there. 4 elements are there. How many elements are there in this second argument? 5 elements are there. Sir, 5 plus 4, 9 elements by default will be added to yes, sir. Now observe the output. Observe the outputs are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 40, 10, 20, 30. By default, we are going to get 9 elements are there. Comma, sir, one more Durga, like this. It is also sequence only. It's also sequence only. How many elements are there? How many elements are there in this sequence? There are 5 elements are there. D, U, R, G, A. 5 elements are there. Then automatically, do you know? Are you seeing right? R, U, G, D, A, something like this. By default, we are going to get. So the difference between yard method, update method, yard method applicable for only one element, update method applicable for multiple elements. Remember, yard method is applicable for only one element, update method is applicable for multiple elements. Any doubt? Multiple elements from the sequence. Now, any doubt? Naveen? Yes. Why? I told already. Already right there. Sir, here just observe the update. Sir, this is the first argument, second argument, third argument, fourth argument. It is always expecting. Iterable objects, sequences, but not individual element. Regarding, it's always expecting iterable objects but not individual element. You are providing individual int value which is not sequence, 20 which is not sequence. That's why immediately it is going to throw error. Int object is not iterable. Remember, sir, even comma also you are taking, man. This total is considered first argument like that only. What is the first argument? First argument is what type? First argument is what type? Int type. How you can pass int value? Then if you want, better to take something like a tuple. Then okay, you are passing tuple, man. You are passing tuple like this, right? Now have a look once. Okay, so update method always expecting one sequence but not individual element. Okay, so everyone can able to understand what the difference between yard method versus update method. Any doubt about this one? Yard method versus update method. Any doubt about this one? Yard to yard single element, update method to yard elements from the given sequences. That's all right. Okay, now just take a bit very special care. Sir, among these, which are valid, which are invalid? Can you please confirm? Yes, sir. Dot yard of 10 I'm taken. Yes, dot yard of 10 I'm taking. Yes, sir. Dot yard of 10, 20, 30 I'm taking. 30 I'm taking. Yes, sir. Dot update of 10 I'm taking. Yes, dot update of 10 I'm taking. Sir, yes, sir. Dot update of. Yes, dot update of range of 1, 10, 1, 10, 2, range of 0, 10, 2, like this I'm taking. Among these 4, anyone can you please tell which are valid, which are invalid? Among these 4, which are valid, which are invalid, sir? Okay, obviously the first one 100% pakka, the first one is valid, but second one invalid, because yard is always going to expect only one argument but not 3 arguments. Invalid. Next, update is wrong, because update never going to take int value. It's always going to expect some iterable sequence. But last one is valid, because two ranges, range first sequence, second sequence, like you can able to take. So first one and the last one valid, second and third are invalid. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Now the next word. Now the next things are copy. Already we had clear discussion about this terminology, sir. Copy, like this. What is the meaning of copy, sir? To create, uh, to create cloned copy. To create cloned object, not aliasing. To create cloned object. Exactly. Duplicate copy by default will be created. Regarding exactly duplicate copy by default will be created, sir. Okay, complete independent copy by default is going to be created. Suppose I'm taking S1 is equal to 10, 20, 30. 30, sir. Sir, S2 is equal to S1. Sir, print of S1, print of S1, print of S2, print of S2, like this. Can you please tell how many set objects are there? Think a bit carefully and then tell answer. Don't tell wrong answer. How many set objects are there? How many set objects are there? Only one object. Only one object. But how many references point into the same object? How many references point into the same object? Same object. Can you please tell, sir? Here, do you know? 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. 30. Like this. Sir, three objects. S1 point into the same. S2 also point into the same. Are you getting? It is nothing but aliasing concept. Somewhere we covered at our childhood. It is nothing but it is aliasing concept. Sir, by using S2, if you perform any change, that change will be reflected to S1. Both are pointing to the same object, right? Remember, only one object but two references. Only one object but two references are there. Now, if you want to observe, same output. If you want print address of S1 and the address of S2, ID of S1, ID of S1, next and after that, ID of S2, ID of S2, like this I'm taking, sir. If I can take ID of S1, ID of S2, yes, same address, because both are pointing to the same object only. Any doubt? Clear? Okay, sir. I don't want aliasing, sir. I want cloning. S1 dot copy. Regarding what is the method we require to use, right? S1 dot copy. Now, sir, can you please tell how many objects are there? How many set objects are there? Two set objects are available, man. How many set objects? Two set objects are available. S1 point into something, S2 point into some other. Two set objects. Because of this copy method, complete different object by default got created. Complete different object by default got created. Remember this one. Regarding this is the first object, this is the second object. First object address is the different, second object address is the different. So, can I apply copy? Cloning is possible or not for the set? Yes, possible, no problem at all. Okay, next one, sir. Okay, you can add element by using either add method or by using either update methods, right? I want to remove element. Regarding I want to remove element, very important terminology, sir. How you can able to remove element? It is not hash code Umang Sharma. It is considered as address of the object. Next, how you can remove element? For that, there are multiple elements are there, man. Multiple elements are there. But the first element is pop, sir. What is the first element? Can you spell out? Pop. Pop is the first method, sir. Sorry, pop is the first method. Sir, pop method. Which element by default will be removed if I call pop method? Remove and return. Remove and return some elements, sir. 30, 40, 50, 50, 60, like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, now print of yes, print of, sir, s dot pop. Yes, sir, dot pop. Can you please tell which element by default will be removed, sir? Good, excellent, man, good. Which element by default will be removed, sir? Pop is always going to remove and return last element. Remove and return last element. I will give left and right. Who are telling last element of 60? I will give left and right. In the case of set, where is the question of last element, first element, man? Where is the question of last and first element? No such type of terminology. Remember that. That's why some random element will be removed and returned. Which element will be removed? Sorry, sir, we don't know. Okay. Now which element is going to be removed? Sorry, we don't know. Okay, now observe 1 minute here. S1 I use yeah, which element by default will be removed? Are you getting right? 40 got removed. 40 got removed, sir. Okay, 40 got removed. Then have you observed, right, sir? Which element by default got removed? 40 got removed. We don't know. We don't know that. Then what is the use of this? Hey, Subrat Kumar, I want to send SMS message for all my students. I want to send SMS message for all my students. Pick one number, send SMS message. Take second number, send SMS message. Regarding pick another number, send SMS message. So like in which order you require to pick the, not important. At last, for all my students, SMS went or not. That is only requirement. Regarding, so there are several applications where order is not important. Several applications where order is not important. Then happily you can use which element is going to be removed. What is the problem? Sir, I want to offer the service for one person. Which person? Randomly I will pick one person, provide service, gone. After 10 minutes I will pick another random person, provide service, gone. Next the third person. Like if you want to pick randomly, but which element will be removed is nothing but we don't know. Then automatically we can go for pop method. So pop method to remove and returns. Pop method to remove and returns some random element from the set. Some random element from the set. From the set to remove and return some random element from the set, we should go for pop method. But which elements are? No guarantee at all. Some random element. Clear? Yes, lucky draw, such a type of thing. Okay, pop. It's acceptable. But anyway, lucky draw, these kind of things is random. What we call, there is some random logic generation and so on will be there. Okay, so this is the pop. Now, immediately you may ask. If it is empty, if it is empty, sir. Observe that. Observe, first element removed, second element removed, third element removed, fourth element removed, fifth one, sixth one also removed. Sir, every time, in which order the elements will be removed? Can you please observe? First 40, extra 10, next 50, extra 20, extra 60, extra 30. All the elements by default removed, sir. Now, can you please print off? Yes, sir. Sir, my S will become empty set. S will become empty set. Empty set is nothing but like this only, it's going to represent. Sir, it is empty sir, but still I'm trying to remove. Immediately you are going to get key error. Are you getting key error? Make sure, sir, key error we are going to get. Okay, pop from empty set. Key error, pop from empty set. Observe that, pop from empty set. Like this, key error by default you are going to get. So make sure the set should not be empty. The set should not be empty if you want to use pop method. Clear? Any doubt? What is the behavior of pop method? Okay, now immediately you must ask, sir, my requirement is I want to remove particular element. Hey, can you please remove 40? Can you please remove 60? Like that. Is it possible to ask or not? Yes, why not, man? Possible. For that, we should require to go for remove. Remove is the method, sir. Yes, sir. Dot remove of which element you want to remove, sir? 60 I want to remove. Okay, no problem. 60 by default will be removed, sir. The remaining elements only will be there. Are you getting? Can you please observe? 60 already gone. So if you want to remove a particular element, then automatically we should go for remove method. Any doubt? Remove, to remove specified element. Like this, right? Okay. Now the next thing, I have some doubt. If the specified element is not available, what will happen? Again, key error is going to come. So before remove, before remove, you require to take care. Before remove, you require to take care compulsory this element is there or not. Suppose I'm talking about 70. Hey, from the set, can you please remove 70? Can you please remove 70? Key error. Are you getting? Sir, key error 70. Like this we are going to get, sir. So take a bit special care. If you want to use a remove method, compulsory, we require to go for, we require to check whether this particular element is available or not. Sharavanan, it is not applicable, man. Okay, anyway, all those API we will discuss soon. Don't worry. It's not applicable, pop. Okay, clear, right? Any doubt? Any doubt about the pop method and the remove method? If you want to use pop method, the set should not be empty. If you want to use a remove method, compulsory specified element should be already available. That's all. This is the second method, right? Next, the third method, discard of X. What is the meaning of this discard of X, sir? How to check element present or not? In operator, Virendra Kumar. Membership operator. Membership operator. In operator. Okay. Discard of X. Discard of X. Sir, what is the difference between remove of X and discard of X? Small difference. Both the things are same, sir. To remove specified element. This one also to remove specified element. To remove specified element only. But where is the difference? The difference here is, listen very carefully, sir. Where is the difference? The difference here is, if this specified element is not available, what we are going to get? Why? Respond, man. Just now I told. If the specified element is not available, what we are going to get? What we are getting? Key error. Are you getting? What we are getting, sir? Key error. Just now I showed right. So now this discard method is a very beautiful, cute method, sir. What is going to do here? Array, if this element is there, remove, man. If this element is not there, oh, don't remove. If this element is not there, don't remove. Don't remove like this, right? If it is there, remove. If it is not there, don't remove. Don't remove. So don't raise any error. Don't raise any error. If it is there, remove. Otherwise, ignore. If it is there, remove. Otherwise, ignore. Don't raise any error. Then, if I can ask, yes dot discard of 70, yes dot discard of 40, 40 I'm taking, sir. So 70 not there, no problem. Discard. If it is there, remove. Not there, ignore. But 40 it is there. Oh, 40 it is there. Can you please remove this 40? Sir, now what is the output by default we are going to get? Except the 40, the remaining elements by default we will get. Are you saying 40 is not there? Except 40, remaining elements by default there. Please confirm. Any doubt? Can you please confirm? Any doubt about this? The difference between remove and the discard? Which is the two good? Discard is the good or remove is the good? Which one is good? Discard is the good or remove is the good? Discard is always recommended, because the reason is, if a specified element is not there, then key error we are going to get. That's why I don't want any error, man. If it is there, remove. Otherwise, ignore. If it is there, remove. Otherwise, ignore. Then discard is highly recommended, right? Next and after that, okay. Next and after that, what is the next one, sir? Very, very important. I want to remove all elements. I don't want first element. I don't want all the elements. I want to remove. Then automatically, can you please guess what is the method? Can you please guess what is the method? I want to remove all elements. Good. Clear. Even in Java also it is there, same method in collections. Clear method. Clear means all the elements present inside set by default will be cleared. Yes, sir. Clear. We are not required to provide any argument, man, because all elements by default will be cleared. Now the output is just empty set. Output itself is empty set, right? Maybe a chance to ask when we should go for pop, remove, discard, and clear. All these methods are related to removal. Next, add method, update method related to add. Okay, now can I use the word set is dynamic or not? Set is dynamic or not? Dynamic means based on our requirement, we can increase, we can decrease. Okay, possible. Set is mutable or not? Yes, set is mutable or not? We can remove, we can add, all the things are possible. You can remove, you can mutable. Once we created set object, don't feel it is the final. If you want, you can able to add some content. If you want, you can able to remove. It is the mutable and the dynamic, no problem at all. Next, sir, I have one small doubts. How many people remember at your childhood? Have you remembered what these things? Yes, man. What are these things? Somewhere at our childhood, mathematics, Venn diagrams. Okay, Venn diagrams. These are things. Venn diagrams, like we had something like have we remembered somewhere? You may heard about that. I mean Venn diagram representation, sir. Sir, do you know what is union? What is the union? Have you ever heard about union? Intersection? Intersection, union, intersection. Next one after that difference. Next one after that symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. You know, right? Symmetric difference, like, sir, I don't know. I forgot, because at my childhood somewhere I learned all these things, man. Can anyone who is very strong in mathematics, can you please guide, sir? So these four things, can you please guide the union? Union means what is the union, and what is the intersection? Union means what? Union means what? Complete, right? Union means what? Complete. The things present either in the first one or second one or both. Either in the first one or second one or both is nothing but like this is the union, sir. Union like this. Sir, I want intersection. Intersection means present inside both. Compulsory both the things must be completed. This one itself is union. Intersection part is, this one is called intersection. Correct or not? Correct. This is the union. You can represent union. Intersection is like this. Next, anyone, can you please tell difference? Suppose it is A, and this one is the B, sir. A, this is A set, this is A, and then this one is the B. I want to know A minus B. I want to know A minus B. Difference, right? So the elements present inside A but not in B. The elements present inside A but not in B, is called the A minus B, but not in B. Okay, like the elements present inside A but not in B, okay, this part is called A minus B. Correct or not? This part is called A. Present inside A, but not in B. Okay, like this is the A minus B. Next, symmetric difference, right? The elements present inside A or B, but not in both. A or B, but not in both. This is called symmetric difference. Which is called symmetric difference is elements present inside A. Elements present inside A, but not B, or the elements present inside B, but not A. So compulsory this element should be present in only one set. It may be A or it may be B, but not in both simultaneously. Okay, this is called symmetric difference. Are you getting that? At our childhood somewhere you may heard about symmetric difference. Are you getting? Then immediately you ask, sir, why you are telling all these nonsense? Okay, it is the mathematics related, right? Why you are telling all these nonsense? Yeah, the reason is for our set, for our Python set, all these mathematical operations are applicable, man. That's why you people should aware. Are you getting? Union operation, intersection operation, next one after the difference operation, symmetric difference operation, all these things are applicable for our set. That's why, so if you are going to perform any operations related to the set, these facilities are there, man. Okay, like, yeah, Suraj, correct. Now, Sir, what is union? Union. X is one set dot union of y, sir. X dot union of y. Sir, this is, you can call union method or you can call x or y. Both the things are same, man. Either pipe symbol or union method. In both cases, both cases is nothing but like this. Either union method, either union method you can call, or R symbol you can use. So this is combined A and B both, X and Y, both the elements will be combined. That is the result, right? Union, like this, right? Next, intersection, sir. Intersection means X dot intersection of Y, sir. X dot intersection of Y. So either intersection method you can call, combine, common thing, or X and Y. Okay, and operator between two sets. And operator between two sets is nothing but common elements present inside X and Y. Okay, remember that. Next, X dot difference. X dot difference of Y. So the elements present inside X but not in Y. The elements present inside X but not in Y. But not in Y. So either difference method you can call or minus operator you can use. Both the things are same. X minus Y or X dot difference. Like this you can use. Of course, I will explain with examples. Don't worry about that. Don't worry. Here it is not bitwise operator. It is not bitwise. It is the set related operations, Lakshmi. Next. Sir, what is the symmetric difference? Symmetric difference means I covered already. Symmetric difference means this one. The elements present inside A but not in B. The elements present inside B but not in A, but not both simultaneously. Okay, the elements present in either in A or in B but not both simultaneously. Such type of thing is nothing but symmetric difference. Okay, remember that itself is nothing but what? Symmetric difference, like this, right? Sir, what we require to take? How you can? Sir, X dot symmetric difference. X dot symmetric difference of Y. Or if you want a symbolic representation, X power Y. Okay, this is if X and Y are two sets, then how you can able to use like this, right? Okay, mathematical operations applicable for the sets. Remember this one, sir. It's 100% pakka applicable. Do you know what will happen is there are some applications will become very easy if you have these. Sir, anyway, we are going to discuss just within few minutes some applications also, so that this much easy like you may get. Any doubt? Up to this, any doubt? Can I go for a small example how to use these things? Okay. Sir, these methods are applicable only to the set. These methods are applicable only to the set. You can't apply for tuple. You can't apply for the list. You can't apply for the list. You can't apply for the tuple. These methods are applicable for the set specific methods. Remember. Okay. Now I'm taking just X is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Y is equal to 30, 40, 50, 60. Sir, make sure some different elements, some common elements, both the things I want to make it available, right? Print of X dot union of Y, sir. X dot union of Y or X or Y. Can you please confirm in the first case what the output by default we are going to get? In the first case or first or second, both the things are same. One is method representation, second like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 by default we are going to get, but order no guarantee. Remember that order no guarantee. Order no guarantee. No guarantee for the order. Okay. Now, if I consider what output by default we will get, sir, here. Have you observed? 40, 50, 10, 20, 60, 30. Okay, order no guarantee, but combined, all elements from X and Y will be combined. If any duplicate is there, that duplicate element will be removed. Clear? Union operation, union means all. Instead of union, I'm taking intersection. Intersection, sir. Intersection means AND operator. Can you please tell which elements by default we are going to get now? Please respond. Only 30, 40. 30, 40. But order, no guarantee. 30, 40. Order, no guarantee. Are you getting 30, 40? Are you getting order wise? Forget about that. Sir, this is the output we are going to get. Common elements. Next, X difference Y. X difference Y. Okay. The elements present inside X but not in Y. That is the meaning, sir. The elements present inside X but not in Y. But not in Y. Which elements present in X but not in Y? 10, 20. Observe 10, 20. Normal mathematics, man. 10, 20. Okay, 10, 20. That's all. 10, 20 like this, right? Next, symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. Are you getting symmetric difference? X or Y. What is the meaning of symmetric difference? The elements present in X but not in Y. The elements present inside Y but not in X means the elements present inside X are Y but not in both. But not in both. Hey, Virendra Kumar, think a bit carefully, man. What is the meaning of symmetric difference? Already with the diagram I explained. Symmetric difference is this: the elements present inside A, present inside B, but not in both simultaneously. Oh, exclude common thing. Exclude common thing. Common elements remove common elements. Then the remaining by default is considered yes. The remaining by default considered yes. Sir, like what is the output? Please confirm. What is the output? Except the common elements, all the remaining. Symmetric difference means except the common elements, all the remaining by default considered as that. So the output, what is the output? 10, 20, 50, 60. Only common elements won't be considered, sir. But otherwise, no guarantee at all. Okay. Now I'm taking, observe carefully, what the output by default? 10, 50, 20, 60. 30, 40, common elements by default won't be there. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Now, then immediately you ask, sir, why this bloody mathematics came, sir? What is the need? What is the need? Like you may ask, sir. What I want to do is, can you please tell? Here, just one small application I'm going to tell. Write a program to print different vowels present in the given word, in the given string. I will give one string, sir. I will give one string. In this string, what are various different vowels are available? Different vowels are available. Somewhere we covered this example, right? In the case of list, I explained, I hope. In the case of list, different vowels present inside given string. Can you please list out? What I will take? Very, very simple, sir. Very simple. Here, read the string. S is equal to input enter some string to search for vowels. Enter some string to search for vowels. Next, sir, here this is the word. Assume that, sir, this is the given word. Can you please consider different letters present inside word? S is equal to S of that's all. If you pass a string, only unique elements by default, unique characters by default you are going to get. Correct or not? Can you please tell? Is it correct or not? Okay. Sir, only different characters by default you are going to get. If you want, let me print off yes first. Observe carefully. Let me run this example. Okay. Here, A, B, B, A, B, A, like this. Oh, even you are providing also Just it is going to talk about B comma A. Otherwise, don't worry about that. Only different characters, whatever you enter, by default you are going to get. Duplicates will be removed, sir. Next, V is equal to vowels, right? A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U, like this, right? A, E, I, O, U. Now, sir, which elements are common in this set, in this V? Now, print of the set of different vowels. The set of different vowels is, sir, S and V. Are you getting? Very simple. S and V. S and V. S means unique characters. V means vowels. In these two common elements I want. Then automatically and or otherwise intersection. Intersection. Why you require to write a big code where S and V? Then automatically the characters present inside S, the characters present inside V, common elements will be selected. Now observe. Enter A, B, A, like this, right? Sir, how many vowels? Which vowels are there? Which vowel? Different vowels present in the given string. I respond. How many vowels are there? Only one. The answer is A. That's all. Perfect. The answer is A. Suppose if I'm talking, sir, Durga software, like this I'm taking, sir. Durga software, like this I'm taking. Now observe that EUOA. Okay, EUOA. By default we are going to get. Some people may ask, sir, can you please? I want in the form of sorting. Sorting. Okay, like no problem. Yes, this is set. Better to use sorted. If I use sorted of this result, but anyway, sorted method, sorted function is always going to return list. Again, it is the list. So according to sorting order, it will come. Okay, Durga software. Okay, like that. Then automatically AEIOU by default you are going to get. AEIOU itself you are going to get. Any doubt? Are you in a position to understand, right? Okay, this is the output by default you are going to get, sir. AEOU, like this. So how to print different vowels present in the given present in the given string? Just the only one operation, intersection operation, is going to provide. Are you getting? Only one operation, intersection operation, by default is going to provide, sir. Okay, that's fine. So sometimes in some applications these operations will play the role. Don't worry. So they are providing means there is some usage is there, sir. Clear? Any doubt? Okay, that's all. Next, just few minutes, another 10 or 15 minutes I require to discuss. With that, this set concept is going to be completed. The next concept we require to talk about dictionary. Remember that another few minutes session is there. That part I will take care in the next session, followed by dictionary.